Introduction to Machine Learning. Introduction. We all are human. We learn from experiments. From the day we born, we start learning things. As we grow up, we start learning how to stand on feet and walk. We listen to the people around us and try to speak the same. We learn the meaning of different words, what to say when we are hungry or need something. We also start classifying the things as good and bad. For example, when we go near to the fire first time, we feel the heat and we come back. We learn not to go too close to the fire. Now think about the working of a computer. It follows the instructions given by the human. It can process millions of instructions in a second and return the result. It can perform the task described by human, but cannot take decision by itself. Here come the machine learning in action. What will happen if we will give computer ability to think like human? It is not. It's awesome. We can give everyday's action in the form of that computer can understand and do a math around it and build some model that will help it taking action in future. So human learn from experience and computer follows instructions. Instead, we can give experience directly to computer to learn and prepare itself for action. Now we define the experience in a structured format so we can say computer learn from data experience, and this process is called as machine learning. Let's take an example of banana shopping. Your mother instructed you to go to the market and buy some good banana. She told you that bright yellow banana are good. You went to a vendor and started picking banana as per your mother's advice. You took 20 bananas and come home. Now you notice that some bananas was not in good state as others. In fact, 5 were bad one. You took each banana one by one and started making assumptions. You understood that 12 bananas were big and 8 were small. All 8 bananas were good but big ones were not same. So out of 12, 5 bananas tasted bad. Next day you were ready with your knowledge. When you arrived in market, you noticed some other vendors was selling bananas with discount. You went there and started picking small bananas. Now these bananas were different. This vendor had some green bananas. You took them. After reaching home, you again started with your banana testing skill and classify each as good or bad depending on taste. You found that big green bananas was good, but small green bananas did not taste as good as others. So you learn new rule. You started considering yourself as banana expert. One day you had to go to your conscience vending in other city, far from your hometown. You saw bananas and went to test your skill. Now you surprised to see that all the bananas were very small and tasted very good, sweet like sugar. Here you learn that bananas from this part of the country were best. Now you are an expert. You come home and ready for shopping. Your sister come home after a long time and she hates banana. She likes khawas. Now, what will you do? You again start your learning to find the best khawas. Now, to make your computer do this task is machine learning, so you give knowledge in form of data points. The property of a data points is called as features. Here features are size of banana, small, medium, large, color, origin, etc. And output is tested, good and bad. So you give this data to your machine learning program and it learn how to classify banana in good or bad category. So machine learning algorithm are kind of small algorithm that gives you power of taking decision based on experience. Machine learning process. Machine learning is not just a simple algorithm which you can put anywhere and start getting fantastic results. It is a process that starts with defining the data and end with model with some defined level of accuracy. In this section, we learn about this process. Define the problem. The machine learning process starts with defining business problem. What is the need of machine learning? Does this task really needed advanced predictive algorithm for solution? Define the problem is